Today we've made a flow chart and would like to show you how it works. You're going to start with this word. What's this word?
Take.
All right. And what suffix will you add? Are you looking to
ing.
Okay. So we can do a plus sign. Let's write a word sum here. Okay. And so let's read that word sum. E
plus ing.
Good. Okay. Now let's go through our flow chart to see if we have to make any changes to the base. What is the first question we have to ask?
Does the base have a final
Syllabic?
E?
Right. And that's just that final E on the base that's not pronounced. Does this base have one?
Yes.
Yes, it does. Okay. So we have to follow our flow chart to the yes line. And when we get to yes, what does it tell us to do?
It tells us to replace the final E.
Okay. And how will we show that we're replacing it?
We'll take ing and replace that E.
Okay. Excellent. All right. So write that word sum here. What you have here so far, write it on your paper.
A.
All right. Now you want to do an arrow, an is rewritten arrow. There we go. And how will we spell the word once we've replaced that final E? Interesting. Doesn't look like you've replaced the E. Looks like you've included it. Let's read this word sum together.
Take it. T-A-K.
Replace the E.
Replace the E plus ing is respelled as T-A-K-I-N-G.
Very good. Very good. Now let's try this word. What's this word?
Paint.
Okay. So let's go through the flow chart again. What's the first question we're going to ask?
Does the base have a final
Syllabic?
syllabic E?
Okay. Does it? Let's look at
No.
the word. No, it doesn't. So we have to follow our flow chart to know. And then what does it tell us to do?
Just add the suffix.
Okay. What suffix do you want to add?
Ed.
Okay. All right. So let's write the word sum on your paper.
Okay. P-A-I.
Excellent. You remembered that's a digraph, isn't it? A-I.
N. T.
Okay.
Plus E. D.
Very good. Now your is rewritten arrow.
Is rewritten as P A I N T.
No plus sign this time.
I know. Painted.
Oh, excellent, excellent. This time we're going to look at this base. What base is that?
Bake.
Bake. And what suffix would you like to add?
ER.
So a plus sign and then the suffix ER. Okay, so now we have, read to me your word sum.
B-A-K-E
That's good.
B-A-K-E plus I-A-E-R.
Right. Now you've already crossed off the E, or you've drawn a line through it to show you're going to replace it. You already know that you're going to?
Yeah.
Okay. Show me, let's go through the flow chart and double check that that is exactly what we'll be doing. What's the first question we're going to ask ourselves?
Does the base have a final non-syllabic
Syllabic.
E?
Yep. And does it?
Yes.
Where is it? Point to it. Exactly. Okay. So the answer to that is yes. So we're going to follow our flow chart down to yes. And what does it tell us to do?
It tells us to replace the final E.
Which you anticipated. Nicely done. Okay. So let's write this word some on your paper. Okay. And your is rewritten arrow?
As B. No, that's
What letter will we not be including in our final spelled word?
E.
Yeah, the E. Excellent, excellent. We're replacing it. Great. Can you read that whole word some for me?
Baker.
Okay, that's the word we're spelling. Spell it out.
B-A-K-E plus E-D-E-R
Is rewritten
is
as.
written as Baker.
Spell it, that final. Is rewritten as B-A-K. Replace the E.
Replace the E-R.
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 That's right. B-A-K. Replace the E. E-R. Right? That helps us remember that there was an E on the end of this word.
But
That
there's not now.
it's still there. It's just being replaced by the ER. If we pull off the ER, guess what? We'll see that E again.